Hello and welcome to Curry TV. So today you don't have to cook anything. It's just mixing in few ingredients and you'll get an awesome side dish. So let me show you what this is. I'm going to be making this with green mango. Let me show you all the ingredients that we'll be using for this recipe. Okay, I got some fresh curry leaves, red chili powder, onion very thinly sliced, and very thinly sliced green chilies. We need some coconut oil, salt to taste, and our hero is green mango. The name itself, Kothu Manga, means you instead of slicing or dicing your mango, you just go around your mango and just chop it like so, and you get very it's not all uniform, but you get very bite-sized small mango slices. Now what we are going to do to this mango slice is that we are going to flavor. We're going to season this with some salt. I am here using 3 teaspoons of salt. To that, I'm going to add good 2 tablespoons of green chilies. Okay, it's very fine dice. Okay, now what we need to do is give it a good mix. Okay, so with your hands you need to crush all this together, and I'm going to add onions according to that. So we're going to start by mixing our mango with salt and green chili. When you give it a little bit of TLC in there, that mango starts breaking down, and then it just gets so it will release its own juice, and then that green chili, oh my gosh, my mouth is already watering. But that green chili is gonna season that well into that mango, and it's gonna come, look at this, okay, so there was no water at all in this, right? Look at the moisture that I was able to create. Just give it a good crush with your hand and it will do the trick. Okay, look at that. That mango is starting to break down, and our green chili is well mixed into this mango. Perfect. And the salt also helps. So taste it now and see if it requires any more sourness. If it does, let's add in a few tablespoons of vinegar. Now we're going to add a very fine dice of red onion, and then we're going to give it a good mix. Okay, that crunch is going to come through all through this recipe. This 1/4 cup of very thinly diced red onion, and I just added half of it. I'm just going to mix it very well into this. Let's add in rest of our red onion. We don't want to lose any flavor at all. Okay, let's mix it all up. Now I have red chili powder here. Only if you want to spice it up a bit more, add it. If not, you can opt out of it. No problem at all. We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder just to give that brightness, that surprise kick to it. Okay, and if you have fresh leaves of curry leaf, let's add that in. If you want, you can rip it apart or you can add it as whole. I feel ripping it up will distribute all that flavor all across that mango. That, my friend, we're done. Let's give it a good mix and top it off with some fresh, so flavorful coconut oil. Okay, just like that. Let's give it a good mix. Now here's the trick. Before you add your coconut oil, if you can heat it up just a tad bit, right, and pour it in, that would just release all that flavors together, combines them together. Okay, that's good 2 tablespoons of coconut oil that I just poured for this quantity. So this is 2 mangoes. Okay, for that 2 tablespoons would be fine. Okay, now we are in business. Ooh, look at that. This is one of our comfort food in this house. Okay, if you have never tried this before, please give it a try. I'm sure you'll also fall in love with this. Very simple, very delicate, very easy recipe. Okay, there you go. Okay, it's that simple. You can make this dish in 10 minutes if you have 2 green mangoes. And what can I say? It's so full of flavors, it's so full of memories, it's full of nostalgic moments here. Okay, I want to, all this depends on your green mango. If you get that nice sour green mango, my gosh, this would be the best. If you get a little bit ripened in there, that's okay, don't worry. See, as you can see, mine is also yellow, but don't underestimate it. It has a nice sourness to it. So if you get the ripened one, you know now how to make it into the sour side. Just add a tablespoon of vinegar. Let's do the taste test. I hope you'll also join me next time for this. Mine hits all the spots. Good. Very, very good. Try this with some basmati rice or lemon rice or whatever, whichever choice of rice you want, with some yogurt. This is it. Wherever you use pickle, substitute it with this one and try it, and you'll love it too. I hope you enjoyed spending time with us. We sure did. We want to thank you so much for your love and support that you have given us all throughout this time, especially during this COVID time. It's really, really stressful moments for everybody because we are not able to communicate, we are not able to socialize, but hang in there, bud. We're all in this together. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive. We will see you next time on Curry TV. I wish you all the best. Till next time. Bye-bye.